If you want to use AI tools in Hostinger, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can start using the built-in tools faster and more confidently. Whether you want to generate images, remove backgrounds, or explore other AI features, Hostinger makes it simple to get started from one dashboard. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on AI Tools. This is where Hostinger keeps the different AI-powered features available for your account. After that, you'll see several options depending on what's available to you. These may include tools like an image generator, background remover, and other AI features designed to save time and help you create content more efficiently. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose the one you want to use. In this example, I'm going to choose the image generator so you can see exactly how the workflow works. Once you open the tool, you'll usually see a Try Now button. Go ahead and click Try Now to launch the feature. After the tool opens, you'll be prompted to enter a prompt. This is where you describe what you want the AI to create. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you could type in a description of an object, a scene, a style, or even a mood that you want the image to reflect. The better your prompt, the better the results you'll get. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Hostinger will then process your request and create the output based on your instructions. Depending on the tool you selected, this may take just a few moments. When the result appears, you can review it and decide whether it matches what you had in mind. If not, you can adjust your prompt and generate again until you get a better result. That's the basic process for using AI tools in Hostinger. You log in, open AI tools from the left menu, select the feature you want, click Try Now, enter your prompt, and then hit Generate. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when creating content or experimenting with AI features. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.